please put your hands together for Mr. Donnie Pangilinan and Miss Bel Mariano. Uy! God Bell! Kala ko may mangyayari sa singer. They are full of secrets that slowly and reveal sa atin lahat ng mga story nila. Let's all welcome the Q family. We got Miss Maris Racal.
Ganda.
Oh, mama mo.
Maris!
In character pa rin siya. Hi, Maris. We got Joao Constancia. Gentlemen, we got Anthony Jennings. Uy! Summer na summer, naka-leather. Init mo.
Anthony.
Lumakas mo. Right now, let's have Mr. Idols, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Donnie Pangilinan and Miss Bel Mariano.